Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone keeps vibrating even though there are no notifications or calls. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on notifications. In this menu tap on advanced settings. Now here you will see this repeat notifications option. Tap on it and make sure this toggle is turned off, otherwise it will keep repeating your notification, which means it will keep vibrating and making an alert sound for the same notification again and again. Now go back to the main settings page. Now in this menu tap on connections. Now tap on NFC and contactless payments and make sure this toggle is turned off. So if you have an NFC enabled wallet or a card attached to the back of your phone, it will keep vibrating every time it detects it. So make sure this option is turned off. Now if you still experience problems, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on general management. In this menu scroll down and tap on reset. Now scroll down again and tap on this reset accessibility settings. Now tap on reset settings again. Once you have done this, you should not experience your Samsung Galaxy phone vibrating for no reason. However, if you still experience problems, scroll down and go to advanced features. In this menu, you'll need to tap on motion and gestures. Now make sure this alert when phone picked up option is turned off, otherwise your phone will vibrate every time you pick it up when there is a missed call or a message. However, if all of these settings fail to solve your problem, the last thing you can do is open the Galaxy Store app. Now download this Nice Catch app from Samsung. Now open it. Now in this app you will need to enable this vibration history option. Now what this app will do is keep a record of all the apps that are making your phone vibrate. So you can simply tap on this option and see which apps have made your phone vibrate in the past 7 days. Once you find the problematic app, you can configure its settings or uninstall it entirely to fix the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.